I don't understand. I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? How was your day? How was your day? It was nice chatting with you. It was nice chatting with you. Where do you work? Where do you work? What do you do? What do you do? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where do you live? Where do you live? What do you study? What do you study? I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. I will call you back. I will call you back. I'll get back to you soon. I'll get back to you soon. How can I help you? How can I help you?
If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. And don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts or any other topics you'd like us to cover.